Hello and welcome to Knowledge and Quiz Universe. Our today's quiz is the part 5 of the quiz on World Heritage Sites of India. So let us begin with the questions. The Qutub Minar complex is in which city? Delhi, Noida, Gurugram or Mathura? The correct answer is Delhi. The Qutub Minar complex is located in the Mehrauli region of Delhi. What is the height of Qutub Minar? 81.2 meters, 76.7 meters, 68.6 meters or 72.5 meters? The correct answer is 72.5 meters. The height of Qutub Minar is 72.5 meters, making it the tallest minaret in the world built of bricks. Also, the tower tapers and has a 14.3 meters or 47 feet base diameter, which reduces to 2.7 meters or 9 feet at the top of the peak. Also, it contains spiral staircase of 379 steps. Some important points to remember. Let's go to the next question. The Qutub Minar is named after Qutubuddin Aibak, Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, Alauddin Khalji or Altamash? The correct answer is Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki, who was a Sufi saint, Khwaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. So the Qutub Minar is named after the Sufi saint Khwaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. Who started the construction of Qutub Minar? Qutubuddin Aibak, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Alauddin Khalji or Altamash? The correct answer is Qutubuddin Aibak. Now please read the question carefully. The question is, who started the construction of Qutub Minar? The construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutubuddin Aibak, but it was continued by his successor Altamash, and it was finally completed much later by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right? So you have to remember the question is, who started the construction? There can be questions in other forms as well, like during whose time the construction of Qutub Minar was completed, or another thing is, which successor of Qutubuddin Aibak looked after the construction of Qutub Minar. So these are the three important points: begun by Qutubuddin Aibak, continued by his successor Altamash, completed much later by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Let's go to the next points. Some important points of Qutub Minar are: one thing is, Qutub Minar was built as a victory tower, and victory was to celebrate the victory of Muhammad Ghori over the Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan in 1192 AD. So Qutub Minar was actually a symbol of victory of Muhammad Ghori over Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan. It also marked the beginning of Muslim rule in India. Another important point to remember is, to construct this minaret, Qutub Minar, 27 Hindu and Jain temples were torn down. The Qutub Minar structure is inspired by the minaret of Jam in Afghanistan. The picture of it I have shown here. So minaret of Jam in Afghanistan was what the structure of Qutub Minar was inspired by. What are some of the monuments on the Qutub Minar complex? The Qutub Minar complex comprises of Qutub Minar. Then there is one mosque called Quwwatul Islam Mosque. Then there is Alai Darwaza Gate, Alai Minar and Iron Pillar. Inside the complex lie the tombs of Iltutmish, also known as Altamash, Alauddin Khalji and Imam Zamin. So these are the structures that are there present in Qutub Minar complex. If you feel that you are learning something, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Let's go to the next question. Where is Humayun's tomb located? Agra, Delhi, Lucknow or Jaipur? The correct answer is Delhi. Humayun's tomb is the tomb of which Mughal emperor? Mirza Nasir al-Din Muhammad, Ahmad Shah Bahadur, Muhammad Ibrahim or Shah Jahan? The correct answer is Mirza Nasir al-Din Muhammad, who was popularly known as Humayun. Humayun's tomb was commissioned in the year 1323, 1457, 1558 or 1833. The correct answer is 1558. It was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. Another important point to remember, that it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent and the construction was commissioned in the year 1558. Let's go to the next question. Red Fort. Red Fort was constructed by which Mughal emperor? Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Akbar or Shah Jahan? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned the construction of Red Fort on 12th May 1638 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. So when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi, he started the construction of Red Fort. Red Fort was constructed along which river? Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna or Chambal? The correct answer is Yamuna. Yamuna flows through Delhi. Red Fort is in Delhi during the Independence Day, right? The Prime Minister hoists the flag, Indian flag at Red Fort. So, because Yamuna flows through Delhi, this answer to this question should not be very difficult to remember. Red Fort was constructed along which river? It was constructed along Yamuna. The construction of Red Fort started in the year 1638, 1658, 1667 or 1688. I have already mentioned this. The correct answer is 1638. The construction began in the sacred Islamic month of Muharram on May 13th, 1638 and it was supervised by Shah Jahan, and the construction was completed on 6th April 1648. So you can say approximately 10 years it took to construct Red Fort. The architect of Red Fort, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, was also the architect of Qutub Minar, Char Minar, Jama Masjid or Taj Mahal. The correct answer is Jama Masjid and Taj Mahal. The architect of Red Fort, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, was involved in construction of several Mughal monuments, among them Taj Mahal in Agra, Red Fort in Delhi and Jama Masjid or Jama Mosque in Delhi were involved. Okay, so he was also involved in the construction of these monuments. Apart from Red Fort, Jama Masjid of Delhi and Taj Mahal of Agra. The fort was looted of its artwork and jewels during the invasion of Alauddin Khalji, Ahmad Shah Abdali, Nader Shah or Aurangzeb? The correct answer is Nadir Shah. The fort was plundered of its artwork and jewel during Nadir Shah's invasion of Mughal Empire in 1739. They were very important, or you can say very magnificent jewels. There was a peacock throne. All those things were looted during Nadir Shah's invasion. The shape of Red Fort is rectangular, pentagonal, hexagonal, or octagonal. The correct answer is octagonal. With this, we have come to the end of today's quiz. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. See you again.